We are about to embark on an incredible journey through the history of rug making. This is the part no one sees. Easton to Uşak, direct. Easton to Uşak, direct. They told stories about this place. Now I'm in it. You arrive with a rug like that, and
A rather
sky,
dramatic
no
entrance,
less.
my friend. Just a bit of turbulence. Usta, what would you say is the key to your success?
Success? Easy. Show up. Tie the knot. Don't overthink the wool.
Usta, what adversity did you overcome to get here?
Adversity? My boy, this craft is adversity. You fight your hands, you fight the wool.
Usta, what would you say is the key to your success?
Success? Easy. Show up. Tie the knot. Don't overthink the wool.
Kamate, there is someone you should meet. He knows the knots better than anyone alive. We die with roots, bark, earth, colors that remember where they came from.
You bring me a traveler who falls out of the sky? At least he missed the donkey.
Here, the wool listens when the hand is steady. Ustadok, this traveler has questions.
Then let him walk with me.
Big questions need small cups of coffee.
Usta, what would you say is the key to your success?
I'd say, don't rush the pattern. Life will fill the rug, knot by knot.
Yeah. Tie one good knot, then another. If the rug trusts your hands, people will too.
I heard of metal pages in the far west, books stamped faster than any scribe. But this is a whole...
In my time, Usta, there are machines and even thinking machines that can copy designs. Does that worry you or give you hope?
Tell them to protect what makes them human.
You can tell when the hands loved their work.
Where should I go after Uşak? Who should I visit next?
Go north to Kars Sel. Follow the mountains. Their knots are sharper, their winters too. Then head east to Persia, where pattern becomes poetry.
You've
Different
listened
tools,
with an open
different
heart.
hands, my same heart.
That's all a master could ask.
All right, buddy, let's fly clean.
I sit and watch the petals grow, the crimson and
Long road from Uşak, huh? Could have been smoother.
Do you feel the pull, the ancient hum, a rhythm in